Number bonds. How I teach my students the number bonds. It requires lots of drillings. And on day one, usually I show them the number bond, and then I tell them this is the number bond, and number bond helps us to decompose. And what does decompose mean? Decompose means to break apart. And again, you would ask them again, what is this? Number bond. And number bond helps us to decompose. And decompose means to break apart. Okay, so then I would already prepare my students would see it in a U shape, and there would be big hula hoop and then two small ones. And then I would ask just some random numbers, like I will ask my students to stand in the biggest one, in the whole number. So I would call a random number of students. I will use my imaginary ones today. So let's say this many. We would count them, how many students are all together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And on the board, I would write number 6, right? We said 6. And then I tell my students, decompose. So they may choose to go to this part or this part, it's up to them. So my students, they decompose. So once they decompose, we count now how many are on the left, how many are on the right. So 1, 2, 3, 4. And 1, 2. So 2 plus 4, then I would ask them to write a number equation. 2 plus 4 equals 6. Part, whole. 4, 2, 6. And then I would call other kids to come and do the same. And they have lots of fun and lots of laugh in the classroom. And they really love it. I would also sometimes during snack time while they're eating, I would randomly just point and say, what is this? And they would say number bond, or 1 or 2 would say, and then other kids would just repeat. And I'd say number bond helps us to decompose. And decompose means, and they say break apart. So they really love it. They really love it. So you can use this strategy to teach the number bonds.